Hi everybody, what's up guys? Gfreak Racing. This is a video to show our customers that order they need to do soldering on their own. Our soldering charts with our 6.5 millimeter gold plugs, and this video is specifically for our customer in Norway, ESPEN Carlson, and he was going to buy this one in general is this part here, the soldering part. He told me that he bought a Lottie bolt. So we now know that a Lottie bolt is a soldering iron. So soldering irons do not work well
with big plugs.
With big plugs like this.
You got big watts.
Like this.
Throw it in the trash.
Does not work good for these.
Alright, you're gonna need a lot of flux. So you flux the tip. You just put flux on the tips. That's the solder stick to it. It's called solder flux.
Okay, flux.
Here's a 6 millimeter plug. I put it in a vise. That's my third hand. Use a big torch.
The butane torch.
Get nice and hot. Nice and hot.
Fill it with solder.
A lot of solder. And stick it in.
Very important that you get a good solder connection, because if you don't, when things get hot, which the 6.5 millimeter plugs don't get that hot, but they will get hot and come loose if you don't do a good job. And the Lottie bolt, that's Norwegian for soldering iron, is not good. Do one more.
I find this the fastest, easiest way to solder. A lot of things to do.
It's really full. Yeah, we do a lot of soldering on these here parts. There you go. Gfreak soldering.
Well,